Are you a student or young adult trying to navigate the world of budgeting? Well, you're in luck. Today, we'll be discussing some simple budgeting advice tailored just for you. Firstly, it's important to assess your income sources, whether it's a part-time job, an allowance, or financial aid. Next, track your expenses by creating a budgeting spreadsheet or using a budgeting app. Categorize your expenses into essential categories like rent, groceries, and transportation, and non-essentials like entertainment and eating out. Determine what portion of your income should go towards each category to ensure you don't overspend in one area. Consider setting aside a specific percentage of your income for savings or emergencies, even if it's a small amount. Try to limit unnecessary expenses by distinguishing between wants and needs to keep unnecessary spending in check. When grocery shopping, create a meal plan and a shopping list to avoid buying unnecessary items. Look for discounts and student deals, as many stores and services offer special discounts for students. Avoid using credit cards as much as possible to prevent accumulating debt, and pay off your credit card balance in full each month. Consider alternative methods of transportation like biking or carpooling to save on transportation costs. Cook at home more often rather than eating out, as it's not only healthier but also more budget-friendly. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if you really need the item or if it's just an impulse buy. Save money on textbooks by borrowing from the library, buying used books, or renting ebooks. If you have a particular goal, create a separate savings account to put money aside specifically for that purpose. Prioritize your spending based on your values and cut back on expenses that are not aligned with your long-term goals. Regularly review and adjust your budget to accommodate any changes in your income or expenses. Consider getting a part-time job or freelance work to increase your income and have more financial flexibility. Avoid comparing yourself to others and their spending habits. Focus on your own financial goals instead. When it comes to entertainment, look for free or low-cost activities like outdoor adventures or movie nights at home. Take advantage of student discounts for entertainment, including discounted movie tickets, concerts, and museums. Consider starting a side hustle or monetizing a hobby to generate additional income. Plan your meals in advance to avoid eating out frequently and spending unnecessary money on fast food. Consider sharing subscriptions like streaming services with friends or family members to cut down costs. Reduce utility bills by being conscious of your energy usage, turning off lights, and unplugging electronics when not in use. Create a rainy day fund by setting aside a small portion of your income each month for unexpected expenses. Utilize free resources like financial literacy workshops or online courses to improve your understanding of personal finance. Consider bulk buying non-perishable items to save money in the long run. Save money on entertainment by hosting game nights or potluck dinners with friends instead of going out. Avoid impulse purchases by waiting 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. Consider using cash instead of credit cards for daily expenses to help you stay within your budget. Use cashback apps or websites when shopping online to earn extra money with your purchases. Take advantage of student discounts for services like gym memberships, transportation, and software subscriptions. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices or ask for discounts on purchases when appropriate. Save money on transportation costs by using public transportation or carpooling with classmates or colleagues. Set goals for your savings and reward yourself when you reach them, but make sure the rewards fit within your budget. Remember, budgeting is all about balance. Find a system that works for you and stick to it. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances wisely and achieving your financial goals.